Once again, it is happening this December. Why don't you invite everyone to watch the special screening of Beauty and Bert at the SEASIDE City Cebu this December 5. Tell them where they can get their tickets and how they can support Bisaya films. Go ahead.
Yeah. So, of course, you can support Bisaya Films by watching. And for Beauty and Bert, you can... our premiere night is going to be on December 5. There's going to be a short press con at 6 p.m. and then the actual showing will be at 7 p.m. And you can actually get tickets.
Tickets are available now.
Yeah, tickets are available now. You just need to message our Facebook page, Bisaya Flicks.
The tickets are available where again? Sorry?
They can message our Facebook page,
Okay.
Bisaya Flicks.
Bisaya Flicks.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's only limited slots available, right? Because
Yes.
the theater is only what's the capacity of this particular theater? Would you know?
800.
800. So this is the big one.
Yeah, it's in center stage.
Yeah, it's been a long time since I last watched the movie, man.
Seaside.
I can't
Yeah,
remember.
me too.
The last time I saw a movie was Oppenheimer, I think.
Yeah. So it's about time.
Yeah,
It's about time.
It has to be a Bisaya
Yeah.
film. So after the special screening, after Cebu has showed its full support, guys, did you hear that? I'm telegraphing what you're about to do. You're going to go and visit their Facebook page at
Bisaya
Bisaya
Flicks.
Flicks.
and then purchase your tickets to show your support for Bisaya films. And after this one, will it be shown on a regular basis?
Yes, it will be shown the following days. I'm not sure if it's gonna be in all SM branches, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in Seaside also.
Don't forget Beauty and Bert starting this December 5. That's the special screening. If you want to watch it, mag-una-una gid mo sa ubang tao.
Go guys.
You guys watch it on
Well,
December.
tickets-
What time is this again? The special screening.
Screening is 7 p.m. But
Okay.
there's gonna be a press conference
Okay.
at 6 p.m.
Okay, so you get to meet and greet
Yeah.
the stars as well. You can meet
ask us
PBB
questions.
star
Wow.
Yum Yum, right?
Yeah.
Yam Yam Gukong. Yeah.
And also
Gokong.
YouTube star
Ayana Juarez.
Ayan
All right.
Juarez, yeah.
Wow.
If they don't have tickets, they can still
Okay.
watch the press
Okay.
conference.
Okay.
Ooh, I'm sad.
They can watch the trailer sa Bisaya Flicks na
Okay.
page on Facebook.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Please show your support. Beauty and Bert showing starting this December 5 at SEASIDE City Cebu Center Stage, and it'll be shown regularly the day after.